the starting C of the third octave, from that point onwards you can hear in the piano roll the various voices or sounds associated with the drum kit. Okay, so I have selected a semiquaver to represent my notation, right, associated with the time span. So let's right, okay, it's selected. Now I'm going to apply a bass drum, right? So I have to select the draw tool here, right? If you have selected the smart tool, according to the context, the relevant tool will be automatically activated, right? That is why it's been specified as smart. So when I'm clicking on the piano roll, smart tool knows the person is going to design a drum beat now. Okay, so let's add the beat elements. Okay, so you have to double click, right? So one drum snippet or drum note is added with a time span of a semi-quaver ring, right? So again I'm adding another one. Likewise, for a total time span of a 1 unit, you can see it has 4 sections, right? So I have added 4 drum beats. So keep on adding, because I'm going to create a drum beat associated with 2 time spans, 2 time elapses, right? Okay, shall we play this and see how it is audible for us? Right now you can see the counter or the index is keep on moving. So I want to stop it, right? I want to stop it and I want this to be looped, continuously looped. Therefore I am activating a looping point, right? You can see where I am placing my cursor, right? Then right click, you can right click and set a loop point, right? Set a loop point. So the starting margin of the loop point, I am dragging it towards the left side to the inception point of my beat, and the ending margin of my loop point, right, is being located with the final timestamp associated with my beat. Now shall we play it and see how it sounds? So we'll take the track to the beginning. Okay, now you can see it's been repeatedly playing, right? From after reaching to the end element, again it's been reverted back, right, to the starting point, because I have added this loop point. Okay, let's stop it and let's try to make this drum beat a little bit more comprehensive. Okay, now we have already added the bass drum. So my next attempt is to make this drum beat a little bit more attractive by adding a snare as well. So I'm going to add a snare again for the duration of a semiquaver, 1 each, right? I'm skipping the first time elapse, right? The section 1 each. So I'm adding the snare 1 each. Shall we hear to this? Now you can see it looks a little bit professional now, right? You have a proper feeling in your drum pattern. So let's try to make it even more professional or attractive. So I'm planning to add the hi-hat, right? This is the hi-hat. So okay, so you can, right, you have to keep on adding. If you can drag as well, but sometimes if you keep on dragging, it's not giving you the proper note duration. We have activated the snap, right? Snap is to adjust notes which are going beyond the time span which you have specified, right? Even though just to keep a proper awareness about what you are doing, I recommend and I suggest to manually add your elements, right? Then you are completely aware on what you are doing, right? So we are keep on adding our hi-hat points. Now hence 1 out of 16, right? So for a one sub unit, you can see there are 4 hi-hat notes, right? Likewise in a particular one time span, right, you have 4 units, so you have 16 notes, right? So 1 unit represents 1 out of 16th, right? That's the meaning of it. So let's play it and see. Let's take it to the beginning. So this is how it's audible to now, even more attractive, right? So let's try to delete, right, some of these intermediate hi-hat points. You can select the note, right click, it will be deleted. Select the note, right click. Here you can select the note, right click, right? Now shall we play it and see? So you can see I have introduced an in-between halt, right, a small halt. So let me try to fill that halt maybe with something. I don't know whether it will be ugly. Let's give it a try. This is a learning session, right? And so now let's hear it. So I think it sounds bad, so let's remove that part, right? So likewise, I just want to show you, right, you can do a lot of experiments, right, via I'm adding a symbol, right, for your okay, so you can see likewise this piano roll view is extremely nice environment for us to design our drum beats in a really professional way, right? So I think you have got some reasonable idea about how to create your own drum beat, right? So creating a comprehensive track is a sort of a lengthy task, right? So I plan to do multiple sessions in forthcoming tutorials to elaborate on those aspects. Okay, I think we have completed our drum beat. So let's have a quick listen into that again. Right, so that is what we discussed today, right, about using the piano roll view to properly manage and design our drum beats. Request, please subscribe to my channel. See you.